No, because of
in
the
your
concert.
stereo.
Because of the concert, right now I'm listening to Martha.
Let's drop back a little bit.
But I feel right now that the Bailando song is on.
That is
Vinca.
Vinca, yes.
Yes, I think the Bailando song is doing it.
Okay.
Yes.
You've listened to it?
Yes.
Okay, any other song?
Do that everywhere. You
Literally,
go.
even if you're wanting to listen to your music, you listen.
You're Okawuya
Okawuya.
Kasabula. Yeah,
Okay.
so I think Bailando is doing so good. Azawi is doing good. I love Winnie Nwaji. I love Shibara.
Okay.
I love Irene Tale. I love Spice Dana. So I feel that it's just someone speaking out their mind.
Have you been friends with Kapa before all this? If I ask you my maiden question of that of that story.
Acquaintances.
Kyogere mu Luganda.
Google search gwatulaba. Googling olabe ekigambo acquaintance kitegeeza ki? Okay, I should say tuli mu mulimu gwe gumu.
But you're not friends.
Nti we twesanga. I'll be high.
Oh.
I love Kapa's music. I'm sure she loves my music. Yeah. I've been on an interview with her. Yeah, I've been on one of the interviews with her, and she loves my music. That's why I'm sure she loves my music. I love your music, so I feel she's just a fan, and a fan, a female, ali mukulumirwa Martha, and just speaking out her mind.